Test vlog, test. Wow. Meep. Green. Alright guys, nandito tayo sa HexCon ngayon. Here we are at HexCon Hobby Exposure 2025. Dito nagaganap ang HexCon, this convention center. We are currently at day 1 and I am here right now as a media guest. Actually bukas is magja-judge kami. Watch till the end of the video to see the judging part of the performance. So anyways, today we're just gonna film some B-rolls and roam around and then see what HexCon has to offer. And then tomorrow we're gonna judge some performances. Also, we're gonna be performing tomorrow. I think you guys will enjoy our performance. It's Sakamoto Days, if you guys know the anime. So tomorrow, panoorin natin on the later part of the video, or you can skip, I guess, whatever you wanna do. So today we're gonna be filming a lot of this. For now, day 1, I think wala masyadong tao. So for day 2, nadami yung tao and it's gonna be exciting kasi ang daming mangyayari tomorrow. Magja-judge kami and meron pa palang maid cafe mamaya. So later we will have a maid cafe. Pupunta natin yung friend ko sa maid cafe and we will go greet the people from the past video, Kiss You. Kung napanood yung Kiss You video, we will greet some of these maids mamaya sa Yumi Maid Cafe. Para siyang Kiss You Part 2. So anyways guys, let's go to the event. Welcome to my guys! What is up guys? Oh shoot, hindi na nagpo-focus yung camera sa akin. So here we are at HexCon Hobby Exposure! So I hope na hindi ganon ka loud yung stage and naririnig pa rin ako. But anyways, bago na ang camera natin. As you can see, kitang-kita ng mga pimples ko dito sa bagong camera natin. And nandito ngayon si Mau nagbabantay. So anyways, bago na yung kitang-kita ng aking pimples. You can see my pimples, you can see my mustache because we have a new camera. Wow! What? Anyways, so I'm so happy. Nagpo-focus na siya sa face ko and clear na ang ating videos. So looking forward to more vlogs na high quality na ang videos natin and 60 FPS na tayo, baby. Let's go! So anyways, we're here right now at HexCon. So yung videographer ko si Cyrus, I assigned him to do some B-rolls. So hindi ako nagbi-B-rolls ngayon. Unlike last time, Ren Fair, nagbi-B-rolls tayo.
Flashback.
Alright guys, since wala akong videographer, ako ang gagawa ng lahat ng clips just like old times.
End of flashback.
But here, as you can see, ito ang Tekken area natin, Tekken competition area. There's a lot of competitors here, really good players, as you can see. So here is the Tekken area, Tekken competition area, the gaming area, and then later, focus. Alright, there we go. And then later, we're gonna go to Yumi Maid Cafe, kakain, and bibisitahin natin ang friend ko na si Rina na streamer. So, yeah, pupunta natin doon mamaya, and mamaya pupunta din natin Magic the Gathering, mamaya pupunta rin natin yung mga booths, mamaya pupunta din natin yung stage, mamaya. Madami tayong gagawin, bro. Madami tayong gagawin. And nandito si Mavs for today's video. What's up? So ayun, nag-i-snatch na ako ng random people na sa vlog natin. So anyways, marami tayong gagawin guys. Marami tayong gagawin. And bukas, mas marami tayong gagawin kasi judge tayo bukas. And magpa-perform tayo. And shin ako bukas. Mag-cosplay tayo. Marami mangyayari. Pupunta tayo sa stage. And let's go! Alright guys, ganito ako magpa-vlog. Yan ang vlog natin. Ito. Yan ang vlog natin. Oh my gosh!
Hiningaan mo!
It's fun.
I'm this tall by the way. Oh, this is my good friend Lems. Tagal ko na siyang di nakita. It's been 6 years. He died for 6 years. So yeah, nice to meet Lems again. Studio! Yay! Yeah, Studio Psycho. Oh, flex flex. Sandali! Yan! Yan! So plug yung yung venue natin na studio last time, Studio Psycho.
Salamat!
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Andito na si Kuya Ivan in the house, baby! Andito na tayo.
Magkakaroon ako ng bagong content sa sa TikTok.
Oh,
Magkakaroon ako ng TikTok channel.
TikTok.
Ayun
Oh,
yan.
lalagay ko dito. Andito yung link ng TikTok ni Kuya Ivan. Yan. Hindi ko ilalagay yun, Kuya. Hindi ko ilalagay yun. Late na dumating. Hindi na nakarating ng catwalk.
The late Ivan Valerio po.
Oh. Alright guys, ulitin ko lang yung vlog ko na buwisit ako. Nag-record ako na sobrang haba-haba. Tapos di pa naka-record. Nagulat ako, naka-off na yung camera. Nag-off bigla yung camera. What the hell? So as I was saying, this is the hobby section of the North Hobby Expo. That's a different con, I'm so sorry. The HexCon. This is the hobby section of HexCon. This is the entire lower ground section. It feels like this is a mini convention right here. As I've said in my previous clip, that I didn't record. This is the Magic the Gathering, the cards and hobbies area, as we can see right here. So right there are people playing cards, playing different games, and we have different merchandises here like board games and cards and plushies, and we also have here Gundams and D&D campaigns, guys. Like. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Oh shoot, am I out of focus that entire time? I'm not sure. So anyways, there's a whole new section of merchandise. Sabi ni Mabs, mainit daw dito. And nung pagkababa namin, oo nga, mainit nga. Di ba, Cyrus?
Bro, I can't breathe.
Hello. Right. So that's it. This is the hobby section. It's so hot. It's hobby section or Magic the Gathering section or card section, whatever you want to call it. Sa taas, sa entrance is the gaming section, the Tekken and other stuff. And then sa main floor is the main event, the main XCon. So, hold on. This camera is so heavy. My shoulders are hurting. They call this hobby section. I call this hell section because it's freaking hot. It's freaking hot in here. It's freaking hot. Recording?
Hello, paging the auctioneers without paying your...
Alright, so here we are at HexCon and ito ang organizer natin, si Ate Yu.
What did he say?
Wala siya.
Ate Ibuki pala. Alright guys, andito tayo sa HexCon ngayon, HexCon 2025, and ito ang organizer natin, si Ate Ibuki. Ate Ibuki, aside from being an event organizer, ano po ang inyong mga ginagawa?
I'm the admin of the Baguio Cosplay community. Ano ba bang ginagawa ko sa buhay? Well, currently doing things here and there, hobbies. Since kaya nga may hobby exposure tayo, so
Yes.
collecting hobbies is one of my hobbies.
Alright, so ano yung pinakamagandang part na pwedeng attendan ng viewers natin sa mga gantong HexCon?
Well, I can't really recommend a single part because it will really depend on you. Since if you want to explore a hobby, you'll definitely pick up one or two things. So I guess one thing to look forward to is a new experience when you go to HexCon.
Ano ang nag-inspire po sa inyo na mag-create ng gantong event na like HexCon?
So, I would frequent the Manila cons, and I was like, hey, I kind of want to bring something like this, but not exactly just that. I kind of want to make it my own. And as I said, I collect hobbies. So I wanted people to also find a hobby while having fun.
That's really good. So any future events na our viewers might want to attend?
Well, other than, of course, another HexCon maybe. Who knows? We have Supa, actually, upcoming. We've already announced that earlier this year. And also later in the year, we have the Villain Ball, or the evil, or what we call as the Evil Night, which is some sort, is themed to a Villain Ball.
Alright. Thank you so much, Ate Ibuki, for taking the time on this interview. Alright guys, wrapping up day 1 ng HexCon, and nakita natin ang mga cosplayers na nag-catwalk, and nakita rin natin, napunta natin yung Yumi Maid Cafe, which is hindi kami naka-film, and then nakapunta tayo sa Magic the Gathering or the Hell area kasi we went to Hell, also we went to Heaven sa Kiss You. So yung Kiss You, Yumi, I'm so sorry, Yumi pala, Yumi Maid Cafe. Pumunta tayo Yumi Maid Cafe, which is like the Heaven, Magic the Gathering, which is like the Hell kasi ang init doon. Sobrang init doon, like legit init doon. Did I say ang init doon? Tapos na, we filmed the cosplayers, nag-wrap up na ngayon. We've had the interview with the organizer, Ate Ibuki. If you want to go to future HexCons and events, I will plug it in the link below. Lahat ng dates nandyan, nilalagay ko lahat yan. So, anyways, wrapping up day 1, hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayong day 2, and see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa HexCon Day 2. Inubo ako kaya wala na akong boses and wala akong energy. 2 hours na yung tulog ko. What is up guys? Nandito na naman tayo sa HexCon and naka-energy drink na tayo. So, nahihirapan ako kasi pause ako. So, mamaya magpa-perform kami as Team Kwa ng Sakamoto. I'm currently Shin. Currently cosplaying as Shin from Sakamoto Days, and I cannot read minds because I'm sick right now, so I cannot read minds. So later we will be performing on the stage as Sakamoto Days performance, and we will be judging the group cosplay competition. So stay tuned, and hindi ko na alam actually kung ano pang gagawin namin kasi ginawa na namin lahat kapon. So yeah, energy drink. The solution for everything, mix Red Bull, Monster Energy, all the Infinity Stones. Kill your heart. Let's go. Just kidding. All right, let's go. HexCon, day 2 na tayo. So, yeah, let's go.
What is up guys? Welcome to my vlog.
Alright guys, masyadong maliwanag yung makeup ko. Andito ang Team Kwa. Pagod na ako. Hindi pa nag-i-start. Dito Team Kwa, si Ate Kale. Ito yung hold-upper namin. Andito si JV. Andito si Ninong Rai. So that's it. Andito ang buong Team Kwa and ang puti ng makeup ko. Okay.
Sakamoto-san is here. There. Give me all your money. Stand back. giving you some time for a Q&A.
So I've played Black Myth Wukong before, and I would say that it's accurate to the game.
Guys, first of all, I commend you for your performance.
Thank you so much. Napakaganda ng performance nyo. I really love it. So looking forward to more performances from you guys.
Of our lovely maid from you. Here is a few congratulatory, a few thank you bags for you. The mythical duo! Congratulations!
Alright guys, sobrang paus na ako. I used up all my energy yesterday and sa practice namin because we did stunts, pinanaktis namin yon for around how many hours. I'm so tired, paus na ako. I was sick nang pumunta dito, so yeah. But anyways, that is... My voice is dying. But anyways, that is the vlog for HexCon. And we had fun. Nag-perform tayo as guest. Nag-judge tayo ng group cosplay performance. I'm trying to do an intro without dying. But anyways, wala na akong boses. I'll keep my outro short. We've had fun. See you guys on next video. And if you made this far, comment. Voice crack. Comment voice crack if you've made it this far in the video because my voice is dying right now. I'm gonna need a 1-week rest. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share for more videos like this because the videos will be getting better and better. So see you guys next video. I'm gonna rest. I am dying. Bye guys. My voice is dying.